Autism is a neurodevelopment disorder where the child's social interaction and communication are impaired. It would appear that autism affects how the brain processes information. Although it isn't quite well understood how, it is known that the problem lies at the point where the nerve impulses are transmitted between two neurons or nerve cells. This means that children with autism are not able to display emotions in an appropriate manner, or better said, in a socially accepted manner. Consequently, this means that these children have a lack of social skills to know how to respond in a social way to others' non-verbal displays of emotion. It's difficult to imagine how someone could not feel or recognize the most basic of emotions. For example, happiness, sadness, anger, or fear, as we express these emotions so strongly through body language, facial language, and of course, verbally. Nevertheless, they are not decoded or encoded in these children. So, can these children be taught how to feel and recognize emotions in others? And if so, how? Well, a study has been done to examine the effects of background music and lyrics to teach these children emotional understanding. Music has the power to elicit emotions in the listeners, and precisely these four basic emotions are constantly expressed through music. It would also seem that it has been shown in previous research that autistic children are unusually sensitive and attentive to music, which makes it a natural means to help them develop their social skills. This study was done with 12 students between the ages of 9 and 15 who attended state schools in Japan. They were randomly assigned to one of 4 groups. These groups were then divided into 2 treatment groups and 2 control groups. The aim was to teach the 4 groups these basic emotions: happiness, sadness, anger, or fear. The control groups received either a non-contact treatment, where there wasn't any particular determined way of teaching the selected emotions, or a contact control treatment, where they were only verbally taught them. In the 2 treatment groups, the children were either verbally taught the emotions with background music that represented those very same emotions, or they were taught to sing specifically composed songs for those emotions. Each child received 8 individual lessons of half an hour, twice a week. A pre-test was given before these sessions started, and then once the whole treatment had finished, a post-test. Although all the children significantly improved their understanding of the chosen 4 emotions, it was shown that, true to what had previously been thought, the autistic children do respond positively to music and lyrics. So when the data were studied, it was seen that the children from the music treatment groups had responded more effectively compared to the 2 control groups. These findings suggest, as the researchers say, that background music can be an effective tool to help autistic children increase their emotional understanding that is so crucial for them to interact socially with their peers.